Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Time check for 11. And today is Tuesday, 4th of October. And the weather for today is about 13. So hindi malamig. So, ayan everyone. Not cold for today. Yeah, not too cold for today, everyone. See you later after 6 hours, everyone. Bye. God bless and I love you all. Good morning, everyone. Time check. 6 5:16, sorry. We are here already in the job site. And yun everyone. Ating update for this morning. See you after 3 hours. Bye at the moment. 3 or 4 or 5 hours. Bye, bye, bye. Kain tayo, everyone. Ha? Kainin mo.
Ang dami, tatlo.
Time check. 10:37, everyone. Hindi ako ng lulutuin doon sa Asian food. So, yun know, meron akong pandesal. At saka ang lutuin ko ngayon ay tofu. Tofu with pechay. Diba? Tapos yun lang. Kasi may chicken pa ako dun. May chicken wings pa ako. Sobra ko kagabi. So that's it, everyone. See you later. Luto tayo ng lunch, everyone. Tokwa yun. Tapos lagyan ko nitong pechay. Si pak choy. Final countdown. Luto na ang ating ulam, everyone. Food for today. Kain tayo, everyone. Nang tingnan mo yan. Kuya, iniinom na niya yung sabaw.
Ba't di ka pa
Pampalis ng? Pangalis ng?
Kuha na kitang kanin. Ha?
Giba na yung bubong. Oh, wow. Kawawa naman sila. Inchik yan, no? Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. 3:29, everyone. Dumaan lang ako kay nanay. Sinilip ko bago ako umalis. Hindi kailangan palitan. ang diaper niya. Kakapalit lang ng kuya. Doble naman yun. 2 ihi pa lang daw siya. So, ayan, everyone. So, thank God nakaligo. Pero hindi nyo mapapansin na nakaluga yung buhok ko. Malamig sa likod. Basa kasi. See? Kaya, yan lang everyone ang update. Tara muna sa sa struggle natin sa pagpasok sa hapon dahil sa train. Wala kasing walang metropolitan. So, I take central lines. So, ayan lang everyone. So, sobrang dami ng pasahero lagi. So, that's it and see you later. After 2 trains, everyone. Time check. 15:37 is 3:37 everyone. So, my train is already here. Si Poppies. So, have a seat and have a look. Please, my favorite seat, everyone. Ayan, dito tayo kukuha ng papunta ng gate, everyone. Yeah. Ano ako sumakay, way out kami ngayon. Ako pala, sorry. 16:14 time check. So, yan. Dito tayo, everyone. Walang dumadaan dito. Kasi nga, wala metropolitan. Canceled. In 2 weeks. No metropolitan. See you later, everyone. At the workplace. Good evening, everyone. Oh, diverted traffic pala dito. So, ayan. Gabi na. Late na ako nakauwi. Dahil late naman talaga ang uwi. 5 to 9 kasi. So, darating sa bahay, 9:30. So, ayun lang. Tapos kakain pa. And then, kakain pa tapos magpapahindag pa. So, kaya ayan. See you later, everyone. And good night. God bless. And I love you all. Good evening, everyone. Kain tayo while watching YouTube, everyone.